Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Namecheap account. So, whether you're transitioning to a new service or simply decluttering your digital presence, it is essential to know how to close your account securely on Namecheap. Now, first I'd like you to know that before you can delete your Namecheap account, you must first cancel all active services associated with it. This includes domains, hosting packages, SSL certificates, and any other subscriptions. To cancel a service, log into your Namecheap account at www.namecheap.com, navigate to the dashboard or domain list section, click on domain list here, and it's going to take you to this window. Locate the service you wish to cancel and click on manage. Then scroll down and click on cancel service. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. Ensure that all services are cancelled and have reached their expiration dates before proceeding to delete your account. Namecheap requires a support pin to verify your identity when requesting account deletion. So to find your support pin while logged into your account, click on your profile icon in the top left corner, and once you do that, you'll be able to expand the menu. So from the expanded menu, click on security, and that's going to take you here. Now, your support pin should be displayed in the access section. So here you have your support pin. All right, so I can just refresh this and it's going to change. So this is support pin is valid till May 15th. So that is it. Now I am just going to go all the way back. Now keep this pin handy as you will need it in the next step I'm going to walk you through. So to initiate the account deletion process, you can use the option of the live chat. So you can go to live chat page, scroll the way down to the bottom of the page, click on go to live chat page and chat with the person. So in the chat window, select account as the department, inform the support agent that you wish to delete your accounts, provide your account username and support pin when requested. Also, you can submit a support ticket. So visit the Namecheap Help Center, which we have here, and once you are here, go ahead and click on submit a ticket. And once you click on this, go ahead and choose account assets as the department. So I'm so clear. Cool. How can I request support via mail? Okay. So in here, just follow the prompt to submit a ticket. All right, so and that's pretty much it. Now after submitting your request, you can also choose email support. So compose an email to support@namecheap.com, use a sample message, and any sample message that you can, just ensuring you include your account username and support pin. Send the email from the email address associated with your Namecheap account, and that's it. So deleting account is irreversible. Ensure that all necessary data is backed up and that you are setting about this decision to delete your account. Now, after submitting your request, Namecheap support team will process it and may reach out for additional verification. Okay. Once your account has been successfully deleted, you'll receive a confirmation email. So processing times may vary, so please be patient during this period. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.